That is cool. Thank the good Lord for that. We got that off of Amazon. Push that button and does that
You
thing.
got that chair off of Amazon.
Yeah, it's really gonna help her out. So thank the good Lord for good technology like that.
It'd be like a bed sheet.
Not a bad, yeah, not a bad price on it either. So that button does that. And if you hold it down, just pick her right on up. And help. That is cool.
That is cool. See the motor down there. The little round thing right there, that's the motor.
Yeah.
It's running off a 12-volt transformer, Dave.
We got not the motor. The massage thingy runs off the 12-volt transformer. We got lots of massage functions. Back, lumbar, thigh, leg, timer, intensity. It's got a heat function, which is awesome. And that's the remote. Yeah, that is cool. So,
that is cool.
It's got a little side pocket over there. Very easy assembly. Let's take a quick look at the assembly instructions. I mean, that arrived in 2 boxes. Yeah, you just slide the arms on, slide those things on, slide that on, and then hook up all the wires, and it's easy breezy, cover girl.
Yeah.
So, thank God for that. So far, we are impressed. Yeah, thank the Lord.